Welcome everyone to our sugar factory. Today, you'll see how we turn raw sugarcane into the sweet crystals you know.
Welcome to Process Prime Channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
Welcome to Sweetland. Please proceed to Bay 3 for unloading.
Looks like a smooth run today. Agreed, keep an eye on that far side. We got to keep this line moving. Quality control is key.
These fibers look good, nice and even.
Let's check the bricks on this batch. Looks good, around 22.
Nippers. The lime-treated juice flows into massive clarification tanks. Impurities settle as gravity pulls them downward.
We must maintain the sugar content at exactly 15%.
Doking me atining. Tasik raskat na dengan. Uche praka sengban sinobiko kong gablitings the codisan kong PPT.
The concentrated syrup flows from the fourth evaporator into the final vessel. It's now thick, viscous.
Inside the first vacuum pan, the concentrated syrup enters and is heated to 175 degrees Fahrenheit under controlled vacuum.
Inside the first vacuum pan, the concentrated syrup enters and is heated to 175 Fahrenheit under controlled vacuum.
After 3 hours of controlled crystallization, the vacuum pan contains a thick mixture called masse cuite.
The damp raw sugar travels on the conveyor into a large rotary dryer. Hot air flows through the drum.
Raw sugar flows into storage silos, each holding 500 tons. Workers monitor filling levels and pressure. For refining into white sugar, raw sugar is released from the bottom of the storage silo. It flows onto a weigh belt conveyor, measuring the flow rate. The raw sugar enters the affination mingler. Here, the raw sugar is mixed with a concentrated sugar syrup.
Look, the crystals are getting much whiter now.
Yes, the hot water wash is really effective.
The washed sugar crystals are now ready for dissolution. The damp crystals flow into a mixing tank.
Look how the carbon absorbs the color.
The pressure's holding steady. It's almost crystal clear now.
Through a sight glass, the worker observes white sugar crystals forming and growing.
The damp white sugar crystals are discharged from the centrifuges onto a conveyor, leading to a specialized sugar dryer.
Flow rate looks good, 12 tons per hour.
Yep, all clear through the detector. Sugar looks perfect.
ऐड कर दियो करिए जो तीन बोटी पार्टी की इतने दाती अब ते जी नहीं कर रही है और इस कोच में बन के देंस अब इन्हीं ने
Sealing temperature set to 320, holding steady.
Looks good, seals are perfect.
Automated packaging at industrial speed ensures clean, efficient operation.
Baby Samson Bo Bamsiki Chinjan. AC Kodunto Kedi Mota Hanadokatimu, Banchup Bansamidam, Nanuticham Bo to the
Industrial brown sugar production provides product variety. The brown sugar has a distinctive molasses flavor preferred in certain recipes.
Okay, Route 7 confirmed.
Great, I'll update the driver.
Our security operations ensure site safety and product protection 24/11 using advanced surveillance and diligent patrols.
Our quarterly financial performance shows revenues of $90 million from 150,000 tons of sugar.
Industrial bulk distribution is more economical for large volume customers. The pneumatic conveying system prevents contamination and product loss. Quality assurance ensures only perfect product reaches consumers. Random sampling throughout production maintains consistency.
We've got deliveries scheduled from over 30 farms today. The factory will be running at full capacity, 24/7.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.